Igor Stravinsky remembers back into the summer forests of Imperial Russia when an old peasant who was mute clucked his tongue and smacked his armpits to make music for the children. He remembers even earlier a song of some peasant girls coming home from the fields and how he delighted his parents that evening by repeating the song, although he had not yet learned to talk.
Why don't you continue this in the next break, because we have to do a different kind of work.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Thank you very,
really
very
wonderful to meet you, sir.
Thank you very much for playing, for coming.
It's been a great pleasure.
Very glad to meet you. Now we have to work ourselves.